Hey guys, welcome back to another video with me, Online Luke. I just wanted to spend 5 minutes showing you a little sum that you can use on your buy sheets, your purchase sheets, that will help you add up your columns of purchase, money spent, and also the amount of products, items that you've purchased. So if I just show you this quickly here, this is my buy sheet, and in this column we have the bulk cost, and in this item, as you can see, the quantity purchased. The sum is very simple but makes life so much easier. If you've got a budget that you're sticking to of money every month, or an amount in numbers of inventory that you need to buy, then this is a great way of doing it, and it's very, very simple. Okay, click in the box you want to put the sum in. So let's do the bulk cost first. So this will add all of these numbers up for me. As when I started, I did add them all up individually, and as some of you will know already, buy sheets get pretty long if you're keeping them like this. Okay, so it's very boring. The sum is simply this: equals sum, open bracket, X is the column we're in, number 1 is preferably where we're starting from, colon, X, same column, 34. That is simply where we're going to stop adding the columns to. Alright, once you press enter on that, it will add up everything in that column, give you a total. The same over here, just paste it in because I've already got it, and it's actually saying X. I want to add now this column, which is the quantity purchased, and that is in W column. So let's knock out the X, stick in a W, and it's still doing it. Silly me, that's why I should have practiced this first. Change that to a W, so it's W1 colon W34, bang. So now we know quantity purchased is 123 units, and the bulk cost is £1,359.99p. Real simple sum. There it is up there. If you just want to see it again, obviously, unlike I just did, check you've got the right column. So whether it's V, W, X, whatever along there, make sure you've got the right column. Okay guys, hope you found that useful. I hope you can implement that in your business somewhere if you're using Google Sheets. If you like the video, please give me a like, hit subscribe. Lets me know I'm not talking to myself and gives me a clue of what other content I can make. Hope that's useful. Take care guys.